So, hello, once again I'm back on my ancient, or if you prefer prehistoric, not MacBook Air, MacBook Pro 2012 today. Also not Endeavour OS, but Void Linux. But before I will continue, let me check out my streaming if it works or not. I have to make sure of this. Okay. Seemingly it works just fine. So yeah, as I was saying, we are back on Void Linux and MacBook Pro 2012, but don't stay on words. Let me show you the exact system information by using first the GUI about XFCE, Void Linux, XFCE version, blah blah blah. The system has an ancient CPU, Intel CPU, and the graphics is an ancient NVIDIA GPU. But more on this very soon on the terminal. So let's open up the terminal, let's zoom in a lot. I think this is fine. So yeah, MacBook Pro 2012, 16 gigabytes of RAM, about, if I remember correctly, it was 100, no, it has to be 256 gigabytes of SSD, something like that, because I kept the Mac OS and installed Void Linux as well. Anyway, I'm running the system at its native screen resolution of 2880 by 1800. It's a 15-inch display at 60 Hz. However, I'm streaming and recording at the native screen resolution but 25 FPS. The rest of the information you can pause the stream or the video when it will be available on my YouTube channel. But yeah, as I was saying, ancient system, ancient hardware, but Void Linux, man, it's amazing. Just amazing. Anyway, let's put the terminal back where it was, and then let's check it out. What is Void Linux? First, I will use the Wikipedia page. Here it is. Void Linux is an independent Linux distribution that uses the X-Binary Package System (XBPS) package manager, which was designed and implemented from scratch and run it in its system. Excluding binary kernel blobs, a base install is composed entirely of free software, but users can access an official non-free repository to install proprietary software as well. And this is the official web page of Void Linux. The Void Linux distribution. Void is a general purpose operating system based on the monolithic Linux kernel. Its package system allows you to quickly install, update and remove software. Software is provided in binary packages or can be built directly from sources with the help of the XBPS source packages collection. It is available for a variety of platforms. Software packages can be built natively or cross-compiled through the XBPS source packages collection. Yada yada yada. And then it has XFCE, as I said. Let's go to the Wikipedia. What is XFCE? XFCE, pronounced as 4 individual letters, is a free and open source desktop environment for Linux and other Unix-like operating systems. XFCE aims to be fast and lightweight while still visually appealing and easy to use. The desktop environment is designed to embody the traditional Unix philosophy of modularity and reusability, as well as adherence to standards, specifically those defined at freedesktop.org. And this is the official page of XFCE. It has a small animation here, most probably GIF or something. XFCE desktop environment. XFCE is a lightweight desktop environment for Unix-like operating systems. It aims to be fast and low on system resources while still being visually appealing and user-friendly. Anyway, you can read plenty of good information on all of these web pages. Basically, what I wanted to let you know is that I'm using Void Linux, the glibc version and not the muzzle, or however it's pronounced. Back then when I tried to install it the first time, it was like didn't work properly. If I remember correctly, I had like some hardware troubles, but I don't recall if it was network troubles, graphic GPU troubles, or both. This I don't recall. Anyway, doesn't matter. glibc version worked just fine. Since then, nothing but rock solid foundation and performance. And this is how the system looks nowadays. I have upgraded, as you'll soon see, its theming. This is my top bar or panel, however you prefer to call it. This is the application launcher, and this is my dock. Okay, and of course, as always, I have 4 wallpapers, 4 desktops. Okay, and let me show you the OBS Studio settings, how I'm streaming and recording basically. So as I was saying, full native screen resolution, 25 FPS, and I'm using both for the hardware, for the streaming and the recording, the same hardware encoder, FMPEG VAPI-H.264. Sorry for my voice today. I'm not feeling well. Anyway, as I was saying, video encoder, both for the recording and the streaming, is the same, is hardware encoder, FMPEG VAPI-H.264, and the bitrate is 15,000. I think that's somewhat good for the screen resolution and frames per second. Anyway, back to show you what I have changed to the theming. Settings, and here we are. Appearance wise, the theme is the same. If I remember correctly, this was the last time we met with Void Linux, this was the theme as well. However, the theme is, in case that you are not able to see it clearly, it's Sweet Dark V40, and the icons are Beautyline. For the font now I'm using JetBrains Mono, and the same thing for the window manager, Sweet Dark V40 and JetBrains Mono font. And then for the mouse cursor, the theme is the red glass. Anyway, let's check out, well, before I keep showing you the system, I have to make this thing clear. I'm not sure what will happen for tomorrow, and basically on the weekend. I'm not sure if I will keep showing you this system, the changes that I want to do, like I did with MacBook Air and XFCE, to bring it up to speed with my latest Arch Linux situation on my Dell Alienware system that I have been showing you a few days ago. I don't know if I will keep fixing, bringing up to speed this Void Linux system, or I will just install Ubuntu on my modern system, like Lenovo Legion 5 Pro or Dell Alienware. I'm not sure how to go about it. This remains to be seen. But yeah, I don't want to overpromise anything. Worst case scenario, it's either Arch Linux videos for the weekend or Void Linux videos for the weekend, just so you know. So yeah, back to the system. As you can see, I have the wallpaper changing every minute or so, and these are how things looking out for the system while streaming and recording. And not just performance, but the theming work that I have done in the past, because this is not my best take yet. I'm sure I can make it better here and there, not by much, but still. And then I have to see if I'm able to fix my cursor factory, my wallpaper jumper, and so on. These things remain to be seen. Let's keep on going, loading few more apps. And I don't even recall how the state with the Flatpaks is. I truly don't recall. Let's check out Flat Seal. Maybe I need to do plenty of things theming wise. Okay. It's almost, not almost, it seems to be perfect. Let's check out Parabolic also. Okay. Yeah. So far so good with the theming. Sorry. Okay, let me close the apps now. No. So yeah, most of them seems nice. This system had also the ability on the application launcher. This much I remember. For some reason I thought I had it done on a MacBook Air, but finally fixed it with the latest updates. But this one surely has the math capabilities, right? Yeah, right, result 20 up here in the corner. So most probably for the application finder as well, I guess. 10 times 10. Boom. No, this one I need to fix. Oh no, sorry. Forgot to put the equal sign. Yeah, okay, so this one had it done, this simple math functions. Okay, nice. And then calendar, day, time, weather. Yeah, these things work just fine. So yeah, I think all goes well. I don't want to drag this any longer. It's a short video for today. It was in the background. I was trying to finish my Endeavour OS and MacBook Air guide, as well as the Arch Linux guide and my Dell Alienware. And because I misremember what I did with the Arch Linux system, I had to try it inside the virtual machine. And that guide is almost done, so I didn't have much time to prepare for this system. But yeah, so far seems well. I just have to check out the stream, because just like with MacBook Air, as you can see, I'm using special effects for the camera, for the microphone. Hopefully you're not listening to the fan noises or the outside noises of this office. But yeah, anyway, yeah, I have so many things to cover, but we will see on the weekend how things will be on the weekend. As always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye.